Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Delaya from thedelayab.com and I'm a custom fashion designer who wants to help you personalize your style and leave a lasting impact. In today's video, I am going to show you the beginnings of a project that I will be working on pretty soon. It's going to be a layered 360 maxi skirt with a draw cord, and I'm low-key excited for it. So in this video, you'll see all the photos that I pulled together for inspiration and how I use them to design my next project. You'll also get to see the design idea as I sketch it out in my sketchbook. Stay tuned. So the inspiration for this design came from my interest in Christian Dior. I'm not sure if you know, but this year I am focused on tailoring and learning more about the craft and the history of it, and one of my favorite designers is Christian Dior. And while I want to do more blazers and coats, I am also influenced by his, we'll say, structural designs, if you will. Anyway, one of his most prominent looks is the new look, which came out, I believe, after or during World War II, which had a very full skirt. You can see it in one of the pictures with the creamish colored jacket and black skirt with the hat. That's one of his signature iconic looks. And I just wanted to interpret the new look skirt in my own way, and so that basically starts with red, because why not, but also, you know, just something full but also flowy. I really like silk. It's very luxurious, the shine and all of that. So I wanted the fullness, I wanted the shine, but I also wanted a sporty, edgier vibe to it, because, you know, I like the classic, but I also like the sporty. So with the waistband, the draw cord, I think that adds the sporty feature. So if you haven't figured it out, I am drawing a very loose illustration of myself. Since the skirt is for me, I didn't want to do like the typical fashion figure. I wanted it to be kind of as lifelike as possible with scaling and all that. So I am kind of drawing myself, and I gave myself a puff ponytail because I will probably honestly be rocking that style a lot with this maxi skirt. It's my favorite style. And I'll also probably be rocking a t-shirt with it too, because that's just me. I love a good t-shirt. time for the coloring. Honestly, this is probably the most nerve-wracking part for me because there's no going back. Once you lay down a stroke, it's there. It's hard to recover from it if it's not something you want. Like if you make too much of a mistake or do too much of a shadow, it's it, unless you start all over, which is completely an option. But for me, like, this was it. Overall, I think the sketch is coming out good. I don't think the fabric is gonna lay like this. Like right now, the sketch looks like the fabric is gonna be pleated, but it's not. It's just gonna be your average smooth silk. So that's probably one place where I messed up in the rendering. I also don't like the arms, the proportion of the arms, or I look like a linebacker. So I would also edit that in a next go around if there were to be a next go around. But yeah, overall I'm pretty okay with the illustration. I mean, it's an exercise for my sketchbook. I didn't want to start another project, but I was feeling creatively antsy. So that's basically why I did this in the sketchbook. Alright, so that's that. You just watched me put together an inspiration board and illustrate a design that is coming up. If you want to see this design and you want to see me make this design, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as that video drops. It is going to drop probably sometime in March, depending on the schedule, but that's when I'm looking at it. So if you want to see that video, if you want to see how it turns out, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if this skirt is something you'd rock or if it would be a no for you. My feelings won't be hurt. Just go on and answer honestly. Until next time, guys. Bye.